What's up, YouTube? Back out fishing, I guess. I got a new little kayak, an inflatable one. Cost me 40 bucks. Hopefully that guy I bought it from doesn't have a hole in it. So that's why I'm gonna test it out today. And I'm gonna do a little bit of fishing. Yeah, should be a fun day. My friends left their sunscreen, so I'm gonna use it. Alright, see you out. Okay, that was terrifying to ride. I got this though. I got this. If I fall, I fall. Alright, let's go, guys. I wonder how I'm gonna put on the fishing poles in there though. That. Something like this. Okay, it's floating. It's floating. Alright guys, let's go fishing. The good thing about this pond is that all the trees blocks all the wind, so don't have to worry anything about that. Feel good. Pretty shallow. Pretty shallow here. Oh, right there, right there. Come on. Alright, quick update about the kayak. The kayak is really good. Pretty good. It's better than most kayak I've been on, especially those cheap plastic ones. But this inflatable one is really good. It's surprising me. Oh my gosh. It's really stable. You can feel it. It's very portable. And it's better than those foldable ones. You know what I'm talking about? The ones where you gotta fold it. But those are like $1,000. You might as well buy a actual fishing kayak with that. Yeah, look at this. It's not too bad. The only downside is that if you get a puncture, if it has a hole in it, then you're done. But it could be fixed. I think you could just patch it up. But look at this. It's so good. It's so portable. And especially if you don't have a big car, this could just fit in your car if you deflate it. Dude, this might be my only favorite kayak. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, and also another downside is probably the wind. Since this is fully air, almost all air, it's gonna get pushed around pretty easy. Unlike those other kayaks. But yeah, this is a pretty cool kayak. I wouldn't mind. Yeah, this is pretty cool. I might buy another one for my brother. Everything's good. The paddles are even good. Are really good, actually. Yeah. Sadly, no fish today. Maybe if I keep trying, there will be a fish. But yeah, pretty cool. Really cool kayak. I love this kayak. I might only have this kayak for now on. Unless it's popped or something happened to it. It's very light too. Maybe like 20 pounds at best. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with this kayak. I love this kayak so much. But yeah, this pond is infested with seaweed. You can't even complain. Got one. Found. Oh, a bigger bass. Big bass. A bigger bass. Dude, there's a bigger bass underneath. Him. You guys. No. This little bass. No. This little bass gotta be for him. Dude. Come on. Where's the big bass at? He came back. So, my honest review on the kayak. The kayak is really good, actually. It's better than I expected. I thought it was going to be those cheap kayaks that's going to be like all wobbly and doesn't even float properly. But that's not the case with this one. I think it's called the Index Challenger, whatnot, one-seater. It's pretty good. It's actually really good. The one I got for 40 bucks, but on Amazon I searched it up beforehand, and it's like 120, yeah, around there, and that's a good price, honestly. It's very portable, if you would say, if you don't keep it inflated, of course. And the design of it actually is pretty good, actually. And the only complaint I have is that it's kind of small. Even for me, I'm not even that big. I'm probably like 155, and yeah, that's not a lot of space for me. I'm kind of struggling just trying to put my feet in. Well, I'm gonna give a pond, or go to a pond right now. Hopefully I catch more than one fish today, because that little fish does not count for me. I want to feel the actual power of a bass pulling me on the kayak, because that little bass did not put up a fight at all, except that big bass that followed it. All right, guys, made it to the pond. Already see a bass right there, some bass over here, carp over there. No one's fishing here. Dude, this might be the best pond of Sycamore. Oh my gosh, another fish jumped over there. Dude. Oh, we got this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this pond is active right now. All right, before I put my kayak in the water, I'm gonna actually try for these little fish over here. Or actually, I might just dock right here because there's really nowhere else to go. Got him. Told you, going for the little fish. Look at that. Went for the head too. Nice and aggressive. Dude, this guy's choked it. Let him get refreshed. Nice and aggressive. Wow. There we go. Nice little bass. Goodbye. Tell your big brother to eat it. Got one. Got him. Got him. Oh my gosh, this guy's strong. What? Dude, this guy's bigger than I thought. Look at him. Oh my gosh, look at that. Dude, I think I found a hidden gem in Sycamore. What the heck? No one's here. All right, thanks for biting, little bud. Go back. Okay, step one done. Got the kayak in the water. I'm stupid. The boat launch is over there on that side, and I decided to come on this side. Oh, it's fine, whatever. I already made it. Made what happened. All right, let's set off. We got this. We got this. Oh wow, basically a natural doing it already. Yes, they are. Oh, that's a big bluegill. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, I missed. Oh, dude, I wasn't looking. He had it. Dude, it went under the water. I was looking the other way. That little bass in front of me was distracting me. I was looking at him. And then, oh my gosh, that would have been my first frogfish. Also, I could be as loud as I want. No one's here. Oh, come on. Go back for it. Go. Oh, dude, what the heck? What kind of science is this? If he pulled it down, he had it. Yeah, I didn't hook it. Whoa, my gosh, dude. I need to be facing this way. I'm getting distracted by these little fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My rod. Okay. Good news. I retrieved my rod. Just tied on triple hook and prayed to the Lord. I got it back. It was only in there for like 10 minutes. I don't think I need to dry it off yet. I'm just gonna let it air dry. Recap. Today's video was a review about the Index Challenger 1 or whatever kayak. It's pretty good. It's really good actually. I would definitely buy another if I had the money, of course. Or if I find another deal, I would definitely buy it. So what's good about it? I got my grading system is this way. I got 3 grading systems. The first one is it worth it? And yes, obviously it's worth it. The second one is it built with good material? It really is. I went over a few logs. Really haven't scratched it or anything. And the third one, the third grading system is it easily accessed? It's very easy to assemble actually. You could just deflate it, and then in a matter of seconds with a hand pump you can easily pump it up in like a good 2 to 3 minutes all the way. And yeah, it was pretty good. Great deal. Got it for 1/3 of the price because it was 40 bucks. I got it on OfferUp. Look up some deals. If you can't find any deals, some of these are on Amazon. I'm not sponsored, but I'm just letting you know where you guys can get it. I was gonna buy it from Amazon until I saw the deal. So yeah, thank you for watching The Man Fishing, and like and subscribe, please. That would help. All right, bye.